Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show you the very pretty, the two different combinations, two different elements, two different style of prints, but same fabric and same price point and luxurious material. One is the pen kalamkari fusions and second one is a kalamkari block print fusions. In elegant next to the pure soft trussed materials with a dual golden zari minimal borders in both sides of this saree and cotton thread tassels part with adding a charm of this saree part. And we have more than 4,500 plus unique designs. So, must be visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can download our application in Android and iOS device. Let us start the video. First product, you can see the half white color combinations, look like off white color combinations with elegant big size flower pen kalamkari designs in a digitally formats with additional charm of this printed pitchwai artistically pallu. Look at the beauty of this pitchwai artistically big size cow patterns in printed pallu parts with elegant the same half white color combination, the cotton thread tassels part. Here you can see the fill foil of this saree. It's a very pretty the pitchwai artistically cow patterns with a very elegant the big size flower detailings in a digitally format. This saree you received at just rupees 1050, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Let me show you the blouse piece. In blouse piece you received this very pretty the small flower pen kalamkari artistically prints in entire the blouse piece. If you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel, our YouTube channel, and must be follow Instagram page Vastranand IND. Daily we are launching 4 to 5 different designs, affordable price point. Our customer care executive number is 8154000063 Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6, and you can call anytime with any language. Total we are providing 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive. Additionally, if you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then video call service is also available. So, must be booked one day before on your suitable time slot on our customer care executive number. Our customer care executive number is 8154000063. Here you can see the second color options with a very pretty the new concept, the block print artistically elephant patterns with both side golden zari border with ikat print pochampalli prints pallu parts with elegant dark chocolatey brown color combination cotton thread tassels part. This saree also you received at just rupees 1050, free shipping all over India. Here you can see the fill foil of this luxurious next to the pure trussed quality. Here you can see the lightweighted breathable soft trussed quality material. Let me show you the blouse piece. In blouse piece you receive the very pretty the finest crafted the ikat booties entire the blouse piece. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi, buy now at vastranand.in.